All right, Mark Rugen here, Managing Director of Learning and Development here at SAI. I'm going to show you a brand new feature in Flexi Complete. Now I've got the same truck on both places. I just made a little vector around the back of the bed here on both trucks. That's vector artwork. And up to now, if we wanted to put a gradient on that, we could just change that to gradient fill. And you can see how it comes out there. We could click this little edit fill. If we wanted to start with red here on the back, you could just drop it in there. And then if you wanted to go to like a transparent, you could try transparent and nothing happens. So the only thing you could do is maybe go to a black to try to match the truck. And it looks okay, but it's not transparent. You can't even see the rim of the wheel here, the gas tank, nothing like that. Well, in the latest release, 5053 build of Flexi Complete, we can do it. Let's just do the same thing, gradient fill. You can see it's the same black here, but one significant difference. I'm going to click the Advanced tab. I'm going to choose the black, and this time I'm going to change the opacity to 0. And when you click OK, now it is a true solid to transparent. Look at that. You can see the rim. You can see the tank. This is going to make all the difference in the world. It is a great new feature. I hope you're going to enjoy it.